them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road on the tears I fight. In carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road on the tears I fight. Catching the innocence was gone astray. Had to leave my home at an early age. I saw mama praying, I saw daddy grind. All my tender problems had to leave behind. It's been umpteen summers and I'm right in my bed on the back of the bus in a bunk with the band. Going so hard, gotta choose myself. Underpaid and overwhelmed. I might cook clean, but still won't fall. Still working on my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows. 16 carriages driving away.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Wendalyn Lynette. Welcome to the channel. If you are not subscribed, consider doing so you would not miss any of my content. Okay, you guys, I'm not gonna do any voiceovers. I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy the video. So thank y'all for watching, and I'm gonna see y'all next time. Bye.
Working all day, ain't got time to waste. I got art to make, I got love to create on this holy night. They won't dim my light. All this
love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good, and touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cash and minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
We taking the poll. We can start with Antoine.
It's a tie for me.
But
no, but I like
we're
Hattie.
doing between Hattie B's hot chicken and Princess chicken.
I like Hattie. Hattie's hands down.
What that? Crystal.
Say that again? between Hattie's and Prince. Neck and neck for me. So we had the tenders. I'm gonna go with Prince.
I'm going with Prince all day long.
Prince. So that's how many votes? 3?
Yes,
One
Y'all
Hattie.
just going with y'all wives.
I'm kind of neck and neck too.
I'm going with Prince. I ain't going to know Wendy.
But y'all, Prince still win.
Prince still wins. It's we 3.
Y'all, it's 3 versus.
Y'all going 2 ties.
Two
Y'all
and
2
then
ties.
one.
Then it's
Yeah.
1. Give him. What's
So
the other?
Prince, hot chicken got it, y'all.
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
We're headed to the African American Music Museum.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes.
I'm excited. First time ever going. They go to Crew.
The hole when you're not here, ain't the home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one lying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying? Just tryna be your everything, main one crying. Are you frontin' on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me and you the main one crying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose.
Y'all, I can't take him nowhere. We trying to make a beat. We trying to make a beat, and I can't take him. Oh, that one does sound good though.
Yeah. Bestie, would you hate me if I asked if you to date me? If I wrote a letter where I told you how I feel.
I don't know about this bread. So, what is this? Jack's Barbecue? Jack's Barbecue. Come to the front of the room. Let's have a conversation. It was disappointing. Steven giving it a 1 and a 2 out of 10.
For money.
Ty and Peter was actually generous and gave it a 5. I gave it a 5. Right, because we hungry, so we nibbled on what we could, stomach and get down. But we would definitely be seeking other eats soon. Because I know that was not it. The best thing about it was the benefit.
Hey, Hattie got this goddamn.
Obviously. I'm gonna give them a 4. Only because the ribs was the best. We had ribs, chicken, and brisket. The brisket ain't had no flavor. It just tastes like you chew it on a piece of meat. You don't even know what meat you chew it on. The chicken, lamb. It's supposed to be smoked. It tastes like they're using liquid smoke. and not it being real picked. And I think the food is probably like a day or two old, in my opinion.
You know, eat good barbecue food that you eat.
Yeah, you know who eats good barbecue, that's not it. Didn't know that.
You eat something else.
Yeah. Something we can share. So, yeah, so 1 out of 10. Don't recommend. Don't come down to smoke bar or Jack's.
Adore you. Adore you. Adore you.
When I go with confidence, when I go with roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night, baby, take your time, let me know I want.
We're at the liquor lab, y'all, where we make our own cocktails. Are you excited? I'm excited. This has been the highlight of my day. I just can't wait.
You know you are a jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of in a kiss for you been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh, must get in and lift my head up like bum bum bum. Roll it back then rotation, cigarettes and just season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you, yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again.
She will be on fire.
That's good. That's good to me. This is enough of that. Here's the chest. Look at that.
That one tastes better than mine.
Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you wanted me down. Done it, I done it.
Bust it one more time since when the alcohol has kicked in. What are we doing? Tooting it and booting it when the out. Tooting and booting, hey, hey, tooting and booting, hey. We tried to walk back to the shuttle pickup point after having multiple cocktails down to the liquor lab. Oh Lord. Oh. This is pure comedy. It's hot, crowded, but we had a good time. I had fun. Exactly.
Tell you don't waste no time.
Shout out to the shortcut. Say hi to my vlog.
from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard to be here. Cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, I'll get to you clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya, show me the color where you turn me on. The way you telling me you want me down.
Gotta show me how you do that.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up?